Hi, I'm Steve. Welcome to How to Everything videos, and in this video I'm going to talk you through on how to retrieve your Facebook hack account. Mobile devices do a great job of remembering your password for you, but hackers on the other hand deny you access into your Facebook account. If this happens, come on, don't panic. The process of retrieving your hacked Facebook account is painless and you will be back up and running in a few minutes. I'll be sharing 5 methods today on how to retrieve your Facebook hack account. Number 1. Resetting your password on mobile app. 2. Resetting your password on desktop. 3. Reporting your hacked account to Facebook. 4. Retrieving your Facebook hack account without verification. And finally 5. Retrieving your Facebook hack account with identity verification. First, we talk through how to retrieve your Facebook account by resetting your password on mobile app. Step 1. Launch the Facebook app on your phone. If you're not logged into your account automatically, you arrive on the sign-in screen. Step 2. Tap the image associated with your Facebook account. A field to enter your password appears on your screen. Step 3. Tap Forgot Password towards the bottom of your screen. A Let's Find Your Account screen page appears. Step 4. Enter the name, email, or phone number associated with your Facebook account in a Search for Yourself field at the top of your screen and then tap Search. The Confirm Your Account screen page appears, listing options you can use to confirm your Facebook account. In this example, you can either choose via email or via phone number. Here's a quick tip. If your phone number is hacked, I would advise you select via email. But if your email is hacked, then I would advise you select via phone number. In this example, I would choose to confirm my Facebook account via email. Tap Continue after selecting how you want to confirm your account. The Confirm Account screen page appears, prompting you to enter the code that was sent to you through your selected method. Keep the Confirm Your Account page screen open. Step 5. After receiving your security code via your selected method, enter that code in the Enter Code field of the Confirm Your Account page screen and click Continue. The Logout All Devices page appears. In this example, we will select Log Me Out from All Devices. The Secure Your Account page appears. Step 6. Enter a new password for your Facebook account. In the Type a New Password field on the Secure Your Account and then click Continue. You will be automatically transferred to the home screen of your Facebook account. Now let's talk through how to retrieve your hacked Facebook account by resetting your password on desktop. Step 1. Open your phone browser and navigate to facebook.com. You arrive at the Facebook login screen. Step 2. Type in the email and password associated with your account. If you get the email associated with your account correctly or get your password wrong, you'll be transferred to a Find Your Account page. Step 3. Enter your email, phone number by clicking on the text box in the middle of the page and tap the search button. A Reset Your Password page appears. Step 4. Select an account reset option by clicking any of the following on your screen. In this example, we will select Send Me a Code via email and then click Continue. Facebook will send you a code depending on your choosing account reset option. Step 5. Type the 6-digit code into the Enter Code field and click Continue. The Choose a New Password page appears. Step 6. Enter your new password in the New Password field and click Continue. Ensure to click the Log Out of Other Devices box and tap Continue. Doing so will log your account out on all computers, phones and tablets, including the one from which your account was hacked, and this will take you to the newsfeed on your current device. Now let's talk through how to report your hacked accounts to Facebook. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com/hacked. A Report Compromised Account page will appear on your screen. Step 2. Click My Account is Compromised. A Find Your Account page appears on your screen, showing a dialog box where you can enter your email or phone number. Step 3. Please kindly enter your email or phone number to search for your account, and then click Search. This will prompt Facebook to search for your Facebook account. A current or old password page appears on your screen. Text view. Step 4. Enter a password. Type in your old password if you still remember, or enter a new password in the text field and click Continue. Step 5. The If You Think Your Account Was Hacked, We Can Help You page will appear on your screen. Select Valid Reasons. In this example, we will be selecting I saw a post, message or event on my account that I didn't create. Someone else got into my account without my permission. I don't see the right option on the list, and then click Continue. Step 6. The Hi Steve, Let's Secure Your Account page will appear on your screen. Click on Get Started in the lower right side of the page. This will evaluate your Facebook account for recent changes or activity. Then a keep your account secure page will appear. Click continue. Step 7. The first change your password page appears on your screen with 2 dialog boxes. Enter a new password into the new text field and the retype new text field and then click continue. Step 8. The get login alert page appears on your screen. Check the box next to your name and then click next. Please skip step if you don't see this option. Step 9. Edit any information you didn't create. If prompted to edit post that you created, just click skip at the bottom of the page. The all done page will appear on your screen. And then click on go to newsfeed. This will transfer you to your newsfeed. You now have access to your Facebook account again. Now let's talk through how to retrieve your Facebook account without verification. Facebook just published this new security update that allows you to reset your password from the device that you mostly use to log into Facebook. Step 1. Get the device you mostly use for Facebook login, logout, or any activity. For example, your iPhone, Android, or any other device you are using to log into Facebook for about 2 years or thereabout. Step 2. Try resetting your password from the device, following the previous steps I have highlighted initially. Step 3. If Facebook recognizes your device, you'll be able to reset your password without any verification. To increase your chances of resetting your password, use the Wi-Fi network you use often, most likely your home Wi-Fi. Now let's talk through how to retrieve your Facebook account with identity verification. Facebook currently launched an extended service called Identity Verification with features that can confirm your identity by sending government-issued ID. After sending your ID, Facebook will respond to you in 1 to 3 days and will help you get back your Facebook account with the following steps on the screen.